If you're a woman over 40 who feels like your body changed overnight, stubborn belly fat, low energy, digestive problems, and skin that suddenly looks older, this video is for you. In today's review, I'll talk about Neotonics, one of the most talked about supplements for gut health and anti-aging, and answer the most important question: is Neotonics really worth it for women over 40 in 2025? Especially with so many mixed reviews online, I want to help you decide if this supplement actually makes sense for your body or not. I'll share what Neotonics claims to do, who it's for, who should avoid it, and what most reviews don't clearly explain. And just a quick note, this is not medical advice. I'm sharing information based on research and real user experiences. Why gut health matters after 40. After 40, many women experience hormonal changes that directly affect the gut. When the gut microbiome is unbalanced, it can lead to inflammation, slower metabolism, bloating, skin issues, and faster aging. Studies show that the gut plays a key role in collagen production, immune health, and even how our skin ages. That's why products focused on gut health have become so popular. They don't just work on symptoms, they work from the inside out. What is Neotonics? Neotonics is a daily supplement designed to support gut health, digestion, and skin aging by targeting the gut microbiome. According to the official information, it contains a blend of probiotics, prebiotics, and natural ingredients aimed at improving digestion, reducing inflammation, and supporting youthful skin. Unlike many supplements that focus only on weight loss or energy, Neotonics focuses on the root cause, the gut. Key benefits for women over 40. For women over 40, Neotonics may help with improved digestion and reduced bloating, better nutrient absorption, support for collagen and skin elasticity, reduced inflammation, more balanced energy levels. Many women report feeling lighter, less bloated, and noticing improvements in skin texture over time, especially when combined with a healthy diet. It's not a magic pill, but it supports the body in a natural way. Who should and should not use Neotonics? Neotonics may be helpful for women over 40 who struggle with digestion, gut health, and signs of aging. However, it may not be ideal for women who are pregnant or breastfeeding, anyone with severe medical conditions without consulting a doctor, people expecting overnight results. This supplement works gradually by supporting gut balance over time. My honest opinion. What I like about Neotonics is that it doesn't focus on quick fixes. It focuses on long-term gut health, which is often overlooked. For women over 40, improving gut health can have a powerful impact on overall well-being, skin appearance, and energy. The key is consistency, taking it daily and supporting it with healthy habits. If you're curious to learn more about Neotonics, check the link in the description or the pinned comment. Make sure you only use the official website to avoid fake products. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews for women over 40. So, is Neotonics worth it for women over 40 in 2025? If your main goal is to improve gut health, digestion, and support your body's natural aging process from the inside out, Neotonics can be a good option, especially if you're willing to be consistent and realistic with your expectations. This is not a quick fix, and it won't replace healthy habits. But for many women over 40, supporting the gut is a missing piece that affects energy, skin, and overall well-being. If you want to learn more about Neotonics, check the link in the description or the pinned comment below. That link will take you to the official website, where you can see the full ingredient list, current offers, and refund policy. I always recommend buying only from the official source to avoid fake or low-quality copies. And if this review helped you make a clearer decision, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. I post honest reviews and health insights focused on women over 40.